As far as Doge support floor goes, it's about 5 cents now, which is very important. Dogecoin price research is clearly bearish right now, which is kind of very important. In a real sense, Dogecoin has a medium-term rival at 6 cents in a very important way. Doge, in particular, went up 0.35% in a week, which is a big change. This happened on May 30, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through how much Dogecoin is worth right now and how much it will be worth a week from now. We'll try to answer as many of these questions as we can. We'll also try to answer some of the most important ones. What is the general short-term price forecast for Dogecoin? A lot of people thought Dogecoin support and resistance levels were a good investment. However, before we got too deep into the Doge technical analysis, we talked about the current economy. In this video, we'll show you how to figure out how much Dogecoin is worth right now or at least a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. Dogecoin's price expectations are mostly short-term, and Doge is a good example of this. A very smart interest in a mostly large way, the total trading amount kind of stands at 22,757,277,610, which is definitely very important. Bitcoin has 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which is a very important number. This is likely what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $26.797.20, a drop of 0.42%. This shows that Dogecoin has a short-term barrier at 6 cents, and that the price of other digital currencies, like Ethereum, has gone up by 0.33%. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 46, showing that as far as Doge support floor it explicitly is currently 5 cents and in every practical sense significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor it in a real sense is currently 5 cents in an unpretentious manner. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market in a real sense is going in a fundamentally descending heading for present moment. So yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination sort of allowed us most certainly to discuss the especially current economic situations, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical as of now. A truly brought for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Doge specialized investigation sort of allowed us truly to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they really thought. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchasers by and large become in every way that really matters all the more especially dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they especially thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, which generally is genuinely huge. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin performance. The price of Dogecoin has gone down 0.43% in the last few hours and 0.35% over the past week. This shows that Dogecoin support and resistance levels, etc., are working, or so they thought. Most of the time, $214,871,414 is traded in BTC in one day, and the total market cap is $10,177,420,083 USD. In a simple way, 139,404,9266,384 BTC are available for use. After losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. Doge is currently worth 5 cents, which is a huge amount. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period essentially made sense of beneath so following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin certainly is at 7 cents down 0.43% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. And especially has a value change of 0.35% throughout the week, which generally shows that Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very huge. We utilize extremely relative strength index moving exceptionally normal union and difference backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense basic moving most certainly normal and outstanding moving really normal to buy and large. Examine the future development of the Dogecoin, which basically shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 214,087,214.00 US, while especially complete market cap came to $10,177,420,083 USD in an exceptionally significant manner, while Doge Williams % our marker certainly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition by exchange especially signal for the most part is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a kind of descending heading for fundamentally present moment. So yet prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination especially, let us generally discuss the really current economic situations, or so they by and large thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid in a really significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to in every practical sense sit tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day graph. Pretty further appearance how the in every way that really matters absolute exchanging volume truly remains at 22,757 277 610 or so they truly thought. The really relative strength record shows that the Dogecoin explicitly is an oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 24, exhibiting that Doge especially rose 0.35% in 7 days. Ends. As for the Dogecoin cost examination, that generally bears by and large have in every practical sense neglected to explicitly take the market downwards, and subsequently we basically are especially liable to sort of see the continuation of the bullish pattern before very long, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies as ETHRUM for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to 1813.92 during the past 24 hours, showing that as far as Doge as Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, buyers are left thinking where this well-known digital asset will go next. Will the bullish trend continue, allowing Bitcoin's price to go up even more, or should we be ready for a possible bearish correction? We will try to answer these questions in our Bitcoin price predictions for today by looking at economic and market signs. As the US talks about raising its debt limit, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, putting it over the $28,000 mark. The price of Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green. This could mean that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until after Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden made a preliminary deal to raise the huge $32.4 trillion debt ceiling. This deal, which was reached after 4 days of 90-minute phone conversations, is not yet set in stone. Biden has said that he is sure this deal will keep the U.S. from defaulting. On the other hand, Kevin McCarthy says that Biden is to blame for the delay. He says that Biden has been wasting time and turning down talks for several